a while ago, guy gave me these Tico clamps, and I got these Ritty Hitty clamps, and I'd like to put them on my table, but the T-slots have just been giving me grief. So I took one of these T-slot nuts, I guess they're a nut, and it was getting stuck, right? It would get stuck. So what I ended up doing was filing off this burr, and you can kind of sort of see the sharp burr at the bottom there. And I cleaned that off, and then I also took this little tiny needle file with a little reach around and gave it a little deburr as I went through, and whew, two of the 3 slots are up and running again, which is a beautiful, beautiful thing, because before I was using the wrong size. So this size is for my Gorton, and they were loose and kind of janky. So this helps a lot. Needle files. Can't live without them.